How to change photos on Airbnb listing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for airbnb.com. Now, log in to your Airbnb account and further go to your hosting dashboard by tapping on the switch to hosting option you see there on top, and then select the listings option from the top toolbar. Now, go ahead and select the listing you want to update by tapping on it. On your listings page, tap on the Photos tab located on the left side of the page under the Manage Listings section. You will see all the current photos of your listing, and now to update them, tap on the Add Photos button. You can then upload photos from your PC or select from existing image if you are editing. Further, drag and drop the images to reorder them. Make sure your best or most attractive photos are in first few spots, as those are the ones guests see at first. Hover over a photo and click the trash can icon and confirm deletion if you want to delete any pictures. After you have made the changes, tap on the Save button to update your listing. So, this is how you can change photos on Airbnb listings. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.